I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey! you guys, after 4 long hours, I am officially done with this puzzle. It's probably the longest puzzle I've ever done in my entire life. Again, this was the vintage camera 3D puzzle made out of wood. I know it's not the best looking wood puzzle. I know there's probably pros out there who are probably like, yo, you jacked this up. It's actually a really cool idea. I did have fun doing it, but the fact that it just took forever, and every time I try to connect something else would either snap off or the piece wouldn't go together at all. And I followed all the instructions on this, by the way, like all of it. This is the finished product. Again, it was 186 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. It looks like. I'm very proud of myself that I even lasted to doing this, because there was many times that I wanted to throw it outside the window. I did have fun. Would I ever do this again? Probably not, unless it's like something a little bit more simple with like less pieces. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger